Time out. There he is. Nice one on the rattle trap. Right there. It's about a 1.5 pounder. Nice fish. Nice fish. Got another one, guys. Oh, yes, it's a decent one. Here, get him. Heck yes.
That's a nice one.
I was pitched right up near them trees, bush, whatever. That's about 2.5 right there. Oh, shoot. I know. He went straight under them bushes. I thought he was about to come off. It's a nice little bass right there. At least this nice bass. About to slip. Second, guys. It's a nice bass right there. Yep. Alright, he just caught this nice one on Pit Boss. That's about a 2 pounder tuna. There you go. We've been catching chunks so far.
You have.
Oh! Oh, that's a fish. Heck yeah.
Good grief. Maybe fight.
Oh, there, that's a nice fish.
That's a chunk right there.
He's fat as heck. Y'all missed it. I wish I had it on camera, but I fell in the water. My whole half my body was sitting in the water. Look at that. That's a fat fish though. Oh my god, dude. Look at that. My pants are so muddy. That's about a 1.5 pounds, but
That's like 2 pounds.
yo. Dude, that was right at the bank. Right at the bank. That's a pound right there. Y'all, that fish blowed up right at the bank. That storm swim shad. Yeah, that's a nice little fish. Gosh, that scared me. Nice one.
He was fighting hard.
Yeah, I know. I think it was like a 4 or 5. Pit Boss. I got all of it on video too. That thing is fat. It's like a football. I'm trying to get a picture of that. Guys, we're gonna weigh this fish.
I say 2.5.
That's what I was about to say. 2.2.
2.2.
Still a thick fish. There you go. Get the release on that fish. Beauty. Wow, they're fat. Alright guys, I got a nice one. Oh yes. Oh heck yes. Got me even more wet. Here we go guys, another one on the swimming shad. This one's probably about 2. Not as thick as the other one. That's a nice fish. Right there. Get him unhooked. Oh shoot. He unhooked himself. Alright, get the release on this. Decent fish. Ow. He just got another one. Nice one. That's the easy 2.5. That's longer than the other one.
That's long and it's heavy too.
And it's chunky. It's a nice fish. Pit Boss. I'm about to go over there on the other side of that white fence.
I thought it was way bigger.
What? I better find out. Oh, oh yes. Oh yes. Oh, let's go. Heck yeah, I can't wait. Oh shoot. Alright, I'm about to lift him. Oh yeah. That's 3 pounds. I'm gonna weigh him. Get loose on.
Oh yeah.
Skip him. Ow! Freaking shocked me. Not really. This junker shocked me, dude. How the heck am I supposed to get this off? That first good Blackman shot. Oh.
Did you take the whole time?
Yeah. Accidentally turned the camera off.
That means you got hooks in.
Yeah. Oh, this is a nice fish.
Dude.
Oh, shoot. Oh, yes.
Goodness, dude.
Oh, sorry. I just slammed it. It didn't fight as hard as I thought. It's long and skinny.
Looks like the one I just caught, don't it?
Oh, nope. You ain't going nowhere, buddy. Look at that fish, guys. That's the biggest one of the day for me.
Get me on
That's a
video.
beauty one.
Wish you could fish, y'all. You get some of
Yeah. That's a nice fish right there. Had to throw him in because it's electrical wire. Alright guys, I'm going to release this one.
We got worms everywhere.
Alright guys, so we're done. Caught a lot of decent fish, about 2 pounds. Caught that one nice one at the end. But yeah, overall we caught a lot of decent fish. Nothing really small.
We smoked the bass like we were killing them today. We had a northern wind coming through. Also, what I did, I was using, are you taking? Okay, anyways. I was using a, gosh, I forgot. Oh, I was using a storm swim bait. And, I was doing pretty good there. I just reeled them in slower trees, so most of the time they'll just get it near the bank or near some structure. I was using a heavy pit balls though. Oklahoma juggler. They're pretty good today. So I'm trying to. I was using a Okeechobee Crow pit boss and smoking them as always. I'll check y'all later. I caught like 10 3-pounders. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Like, share, subscribe, and see you guys next time.
Yeah.